Any YouTube channel can upload any videos. Any people are doing for long comments and the long kind of information. That user we can block by using option is called community options. So one person is commenting for abuse for your YouTube video commenting. Select this one everything. So one is we can delete. Second will be gets read by the report for abusing on everything. Or else had this user comment on this channel. Totally had this user by the in my channel box. You user next time any comment is not shown by your particular videos. This is correct. Suppose if this person anytime will be upload your content, approve by here. Always approve comment for this user. Can approve always 24/7. Anytime they are uploading information is a valid person by my particular YouTube channel. One is a hide, second will be approved by the users. This totally will be very important by your comment option. Hide, user acceptance, approve and decline the user also. This is very important on particular YouTube channel comment box. So what are the comment is not required? See, some people are posting their business information also. You can check here. So people are nice. So anything will be, you can like the information, have an admin to duty from the boost, but anywhere why it is. So people are called will be, wow Sahi, Bola, bro, thanks for your video. So people ID for your comment. Anything will be promotion video will be there. If you want, you can delete it. So check. The question for you. So what is it? Just we are delete this comment. The promotion link will be appear in the channel. We can delete. Once delete any video, we can't get back. Any comment will be, we can get back. That is very important by your hide the comments. You can delete, hide the user and the approve user anytime and comment your channel. Anyone asking the question, you can approve any user or hide the person. It is available by the YouTube channel. A permanent approve will be there. Any user to comment our channel. Any comment will be delete. We can't get the undo is not there by your YouTube channel. This is for hide the comments on your YouTube channel.